And we will know by Tuesday if a Mobile doctor convicted of murder will get a new trial. Former neurosurgeon Jonathan Nakhla claims an ineligible juror heard his case.
WKRG News 5 Shimani Baker has been following this motion for a new trial. She joins us now here in studio. And what are the arguments from his attorneys and prosecutors?
Right. Well, before we get there, Circuit Court Judge Wesley Pipes told the court today he has a few things to consider before he can make his ruling on the defense's request for a new trial. A second day in court to hear arguments on whether one of the jurors in the Jonathan Nakhla case was eligible to serve based on her place of residency. The defense reiterated Melinda Pate lived in Baldwin County during the time she was summoned for jury duty, despite Pate's testimony that her dad's home in Mobile County was her permanent residence. Prosecutors argue Pate's driver's license and voter registration both had her dad's address, but the defense provided documents that Pate's vehicle has been registered to her girlfriend's house in Loxley for the past 3 years. Tasha Stimley lives 2 houses down from Pate's girlfriend. She testified she had seen Pate's car there often, but she never knew the couple. The defense also called 2 sheriff deputies to the stand. They both testified that they tried to serve Pate paperwork to her dad's address in 2020 and 2023. On both occasions, the deputies were told by her dad that she moved and no longer lived there.
We feel like that it was clear this person was not a Mobile resident and knew she wasn't a Mobile resident, though we don't want anything bad or to happen to the person, but we do want our client to have a fair trial and have a jury of his peers, which he did not in this case.
The defense also brought up that Pate moved in with her girlfriend on March 8th, which was before the trial was over. They believe this move disqualified Pate. The judge disagreed, saying there's no rule that a juror can't move in the middle of a trial, and there's no rule that says jurors have to notify the court if they do so. Mobile County District Attorney Keith Blackwood told News 5 the juror in question's home is in Mobile County, and like many others, has a life in Mobile County and elsewhere. This does not disqualify the juror for jury service in Mobile County. In March, Nakhla was convicted of murder for driving drunk, crashing and killing his passenger, USA medical student Samantha Thomas, in 2020. Thomas's family says the facts, even if a new trial was to take place, Samantha's death was caused from his weapon, his automobile, and alcohol, and we hope that he would be found guilty again and maybe get life the next time around. Circuit Court. We will continue to follow this story and we'll let you all know once a decision has been made on Nakhla's request for a new trial. In studio, Shimani Baker, WKRG News 5.